Well, here's the update on the 9000 BTU LG. Getting this ready for it to blend into a white roof. So this is supposed to stay kind of invisible, so when people's eyes scan across the roof, it's not an eyesore of a different color. Not that the color was not that bad anyway, but the roof was bright white. I explained this unit in a video about last week. Everything has been prepped. The only thing is the clear needs to go. This is actually going to get painted one more time, and clear is going over this one because of the labels. The labels are actually going to get cleared over. Everything was sanded and polished, or sanded and painted. As for take apart, the condenser is get ready to be epoxy coated because we are in San Francisco and there is salt in the air. We have eastward winds that come from the Pacific Ocean and go across the city, and then at a certain time of the year we have westward winds that head from the east, but the air comes across the San Francisco Bay picking up salt and coming inland. So we're not as bad as very coastal areas, and as ease of taking things apart. See how easy this comes apart. So this is your motor assembly. Very easy. 2 screws held it on. 1, 2. That was it. And it comes off. The top plate was, you already had everything off there. The control unit. 1 screw right here. 1 screw. Nope. It was only 1 screw right here. 1 screw right there takes your control head unit off. Okay, so now that's all your brains right there. To get this sound deadening and air shaping panel right here off, 1, 2 screws. That's it. Get 2 screws, and that comes off. This unit is so easy to service and maintenance. For cleaning, if you ever had to take it apart for cleaning or do any maintenance on it, to get to any component, an 8-year-old can take this apart as a school project and put it back. Legos are more complicated to take apart and put back together with their than this is. This thing is just a child's toy. They made it so intuitive to take apart and put back together. So that's an update so far on this. And like I said before, this is actually going to get separated because this coil is going to get epoxy coated inside and out, bottom side from all directions. All the copper is going to be epoxy coated. You don't want to leave, you ever get the little leaks, pinhole leaks, right where they stress the copper and they bend it. And then if you have things like salt or any chemical in the air, certain chemicals like attack copper, and you'll get these microfine little wormholes that bore into copper, and it's like, you know, molecule size. But the idea is to epoxy coat everything before it gets exposed to the atmosphere. And same goes for the air handler. The air handler is going to be disassembled, and the evaporator is going to be epoxy coated. And the air handler might get painted to match the customer's interior color of the wall. It's going to be high up on a wall on a stairway shooting through a closet or a hallway, and so the air handler might get painted the exact same color as the decor inside the house. We'll see how that goes. All right guys, just an update on this little LG 9000 BTU unit. If you want to see the serial number, focus, there we go. That's the unit, and you'll see this in install in an upcoming video in San Francisco. That's it.